Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I am going to tell you how to fix Amazon app cause iPhone to overheat. If you are using an Amazon app and it's causing overheating to your iPhone, so you just need to follow some steps. You just have to check for updates of the Amazon app. Just go to App Store and here go to search bar and you have to search for Amazon. Just search for it and you have to check for its update, and you can see my app is up to date. So if your uh, Amazon is now causing overheating, so you just have to keep a long press in it, then tap on remove app, and then you have to delete app. You have to uninstall the app and then reinstall it again. If your problem doesn't solve, so you have the last option, which is make a force restart to your phone. So let's see how you can do it. You just have to press the upper volume button and then the lower volume button. Firstly, quickly press and release the volume up, then volume down, and then press and hold the power button. So let's do it. Volume up, then volume down, and then press and hold the power button. Then slide it to power off. And after power off your phone, you have to on it again. So just press and hold the power button until the Apple logo will be shown. And after making a restart your phone, the Amazon app will not cause to overheat your app. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.